Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Nissan Pulsar 1.2 DIG-T Tekna XTRON. Now this vehicle has currently done 47,624 miles and it's finished in the colour Starburst Silver. It's a very spacious hatchback and it looks incredibly stylish as well with the contrasting rear privacy glass. It also sits nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. It does feature LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. You also have keyless entry and go, making access into the vehicle much easier. You can unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. In the boot you'll find 385 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,395 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you'll find your lovely black leather interior with the contrasting white stitching. You do have ICE fixed points on the outer seats, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. On your steering wheel here to the left, you've got controls for adjusting the infotainment system as well as the display in the instrument cluster. To the right you have your cruise control and speed limiter. On your display here in the instrument cluster you've got access to different driving data. There's even access to your driving aids. You've got lane departure warning system and blind spot monitoring, as well as the emergency braking feature. All of these features give you extra peace of mind and security while you're behind the wheel. You can also access tyre pressure information and some vehicle settings. Centered in the dashboard you have your touchscreen infotainment system. Now the system has access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music through USB and auxiliary inputs as well as Bluetooth. You even have a CD player as well, so you can play your favourite albums. You do have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. There's also navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. This Pulsar comes with a 360 camera, providing you with excellent visibility around the vehicle. Below the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. In the centre console you have your automatic gear selector and start stop button. Behind the gear selector you'll also find your heated front seats, so you can keep nice and warm on those colder days.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.